Jefferson spaceship can now officially park wherever it... Yes, it?
Oh! That's not it.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to learn Nova's latest dance.
It's gone viral on Spacegram. Oh. No, Sid. It's like this.
Okay, got it.
Oh! Sid, stop that. Any actual questions?
Can I do a rap?
Rap. You.
Yeah, I've been working on one about how Nova's music really speaks to me, and can I do it?
Yeah? No.
Oh.
Ah.
Sorry, it's not on the agenda. Now. Chef Dividends.
To Nova with love.
Aww. His golden spatula. But he loves that thing. He only just won it on the Great Galactic Cake-Off.
Because he loves me more.
Is it just me, or is everyone acting a bit weird?
You're the one getting excited about parking permits. Weird. Hey guys, what has 5 toes and isn't your foot? My
No. This is weird.
We interrupt your boring meeting to bring you a semi-urgent newsflash. A wave of amusing events is sweeping the galaxy. On the quiet planet of Shush, the entire population have covered themselves in glitter. Meanwhile, the Healthy Eating Federation has banned salad. And finally, one government ground to a halt when the Prime Minister of the extremely sensible, Planet Sensible, started doing a popular dance craze and refused to stop. Look at her go.
Hey, that's your dance. Prime Minister Sensible's doing the Nova.
Everyone is acting weird. What is going on? Boop. Nova's on the move. Call ready.
Hang on, I'll find my keys.
Are you gonna sing?
Offs blob.
Don't like this.
Why not? It's fun.
Sid's still not doing the arms right. I think that something, or someone, is making everyone be silly.
What? No way.
Actually, way. People can't stop dancing your dance, and they're banning salad.
But I hate salad. But that's just a coincidence.
Who has this much power? And why would they do this?
Nothing to do with me. Like I said, coincidence.
Oh. Of course. You're doing this.
What? No way, horseplay. I'm just as baffed at this as you are. So weird. Wow, I have no idea who's doing this.
Really?
No, it's totally me. Isn't it brilliant?
Nova!
I've actually been dying to tell someone. You know, I released a remix yesterday. Well, Kid Songwriter showed me a super extra clever fun thing I could do with it.
Oh, he did he? Calling Kid Songwriter. Oh, great! You too.
He taught me how to hide secret messages in a song.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not what happened. Back at the dawn of recorded music, artists might hide secret messages in their songs. A whisper in the background that says, "We love you."
When I put secret messages in my songs, I persuade people to do things. It's been so much fun.
Nova!
Technically, it's just influence. It's nothing they didn't already want to do.
See, I'm just influencing, and it only affects my fans.
Everyone's a Nova fan. Though I'm going off you.
The first message I did was, show me how much you love me. We just slipped it into the mix. No one noticed a thing.
That's why Chef gave you his spatula. Why the healthy eaters banned salad. Why the Prime Minister won't stop dancing your dance.
I'm so lucky I'm immune to this kind of musical influence.
And then I did.
Draw me. Ideally, on a pony. No! And I'm just about to send out a new one. Name things after me, Nova Jones.
Release the single.
Another surprise new release from Nova Jones. Let's just rename the station Nova Jones FM.
Just had the best idea. Wouldn't the emergency brake be better called the Nova?
Yes, it would. And the speedometer.
And the fuel gauge! Or should I say, the
Nova!
But everything being called Nova is going to get so confusing. And people don't even know why they're doing all this. It's wrong. Your music dominates the charts. If all those had secret messages, then it's too much influence.
Peeps are just doing fun stuff they wouldn't normally let themselves do. They're happy.
Yeah? What about the salads?
Oh, who cares about the salads? Why are you being like this? Why aren't you bopping or painting me on a horsey?
Yeah. Why aren't I affected? Because I'm your manager. I've been ignoring your demands for years so I can do what's right for you, which only proves my point. This isn't right.
It might not be right, but it's fun. Come and see how happy the Jefferson is.
Is this because I wouldn't let you have a pony?
No.
Because you can't have ponies on Spaceships Nova? The poop situation for a star would be... Huh.
That's a Nova. And that's a Nova.
That's actually Nova!
Hey!
Hey, Nova. Welcome to the Jeff for
Nova,
Nova Nova.
Aww. Hey guys, what has 5 toes and isn't your hand?
Oh, not again.
My hand! See? Laughing is fun. They're having fun. I'm having fun. You're not having fun, but there's no change there. No harm done.
Not yet.
Hey guys, I think it might be rap time. Prepare to meet the hip-hop legend. The Rapton of the North.
Yay!
I need a backing track. Sid, hit that Nova.
Sorry, Captain. It's been minutes, and I've got to release another single. Toodles!
Another
Nova!
I don't know what they're missing, Cap.
Oh, I still want to hear your rap, Captain. Rapton, sir. Which Nova do I press? Nova, Nova, or Nova?
Wait, not that Nova! Ah!